Welcome friends to Super20 Institute. Today we are going to discuss a question that came in JEE Mains 2020 entrance exam. So here is the question. If 5 tan square x minus cos square x is equals to 2 cos 2x plus 9, then find the value of cos 4x. So as you can see, this is related to the trigonometric function. So we will use trigonometric identities in this question. So here firstly we have given with this equation, we write like this. 5 tan square x minus cos square x is equals to 2 cos 2x plus 9. So 5 times tan square x minus cos square x means 5 is multiplying by this tan square x as well as cos square x. So write like this, 5 tan square x minus 5 cos square x, which is equals to, here in this side, cos 2x. It's a identity. We will use the identity cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So write like this, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 9 as it is. So as you can see, we have to solve this question for cos. Okay? That's why we will change this whole equation into cos. Now solve this part. 5 tan square x minus 5 cos square x. Now here is also bracket and 2 is multiplying with this whole bracket. So solve it like this. 2 2s are 4 cos square x minus 2 plus 9. Right? Now I'm going to take this cos square x to this right side. As you can see, here is also cos square x and cos square x. I'm going to take this cos square x to right side. So it will become 4 cos square x minus 5 will become plus 5 cos square x and minus 2 plus 9 as it is. Now in next step, I will write the left hand side as it is and solve this right hand side. 4 cos square x plus 5 cos square x. It will become 9 cos square x plus 7. Okay. Then after, what we will do? Now it is cos. Now turn to change tan. Okay. So write tan like secant square x minus 1. This is also identity. Tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. Again, 9 cos square x plus 7 as it is. Now after that, 5 as it is. Secant square x. Also we can write secant square x 1 by cos square x minus 1 in the numerator, which is equals to 9 cos square x plus 7. So you can see this whole equation. This was given. Now we will become, now this tan become 1 by cos form. So this question totally in the form of cos now. So what we do next, we will assume, let cos square x is equals to any alphabet you can assume. Okay, I'll take it as A. So write it 5 into 1 upon A minus 1. Here in the right side also cos square x is given and cos square x is equals to A. 9A plus 7. Now time to solve this equation. First step, 5 into A, 5 into 1, 5 upon A minus 5 is equals to 9A plus 7. So when we will solve this equation, it will become 9A square plus 12A minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. After that, as we use the factorization, so use the factorization method here, we will make the factors of this expression like 9A square. It will become 15 and A minus 3A minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. Normally factorization we are going to applying here for factors. Okay. We need the factors for this. That's why I'm going to applying this factorization method. So take the two terms firstly. First two terms, take the common part from here. Here 3A is common and inside the bracket it will become 3A plus 5. Right? From these two, minus 1 is common. You can see 3A plus 5 inside the bracket, which is equals to 0. Then after 3A minus 1 is the first factor and 3A plus 5 is the another one, which is equals to 0. So 3a minus 1 is equals to 0. It means also 3a plus 5 is equals to 0. So the value of a will be 1 upon 3, or the value of a will be equals to minus 5 upon 3. Okay. So we are going to take the value of a is equals to 1 upon 3. So our value of a is equals to 1 by 3. Now we have to solve for cos 4x. Firstly, I will solve this for cos 2x. Okay. Cos 2x, the formula for this is 2 cos square x minus 1. If here is double the angle, we will half it. 2x will become x here. Similarly, when we apply cos 4x, it will become 2 cos square 2x. Then we will put the value of cos 2x in the next part. So look at here firstly how to solve cos 2x. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So apply here 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square x minus 1 is equals to 2 cos square x, as we assume it like a. So we can write here a minus 1. So what will the answer for this? 2a minus 1. So value of a is 1 upon 3 minus 1. So it will become 2 upon 3 minus 1. When we will solve it, it will become minus 1 by 3. So the value of cos 2x is minus 1 upon 3. Now we will find the value of cos 4x. So cos 4x, the formula for it will be 2 cos square x half the angle minus 1. So cos 4x, half of the 4x will be 2x. That's why we will write here 2x is equals to 2 cos square 2x. Put the value of cos square 2x, that will be minus 1 by 3 cos 2x. It will become minus 1 by 3 whole square. Cos 2x is minus 1 by 3. I'll put here minus 1 by 3 and square this part. Then it is equal to minus 1. So squaring the bracket please. Minus 1 square 1 and 3 square is 9. It will become 1 upon 9 minus 1, 2 upon 9 minus 1, and the answer will be minus 7 upon 9. So cos 4x is equals to minus 7 upon 9. So this is the solution of our equation.